Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
Hiya, Goof. Hey, Miss and Liam.
You sure you can good share our friends?
The park's very late. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! What must have been that track switch? Wait!
Attention railroad riders, please keep all arms, legs, and feet inside the ride vehicle at all times. Thank you.
I'm gonna think they saw me.
Something. Probably a kid that fell out. Jeez.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so high that I would find you there. We can walk crazy round. Love with you by my side. The stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now. Our songs will play on God, and nothing can stop us.
What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. If you got value out of the information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.